Alright, so I got the BRZ right here in the lift, and I'm about to install some unequal length headers and a test pipe. Down pipe. So I got these from 1320. Along with the OFT tablet. I'm going to show you guys how to install this. Let me go ahead and get the car raised up. Alright guys, so I'm trying to angle it so you guys can see everything that I'm doing. So first off, we want to go ahead and splash guard. So it's just all the bolts and the clips. So now we just take off the headers. And it's basically those two bolts. Alright, so what I'm taking off is these two bolts right here, and then the bolts on this side. So it should be that one, and it should be that one. So 3 on this side, 2 on that side, and then I'm unbolting it right here from this pipe. So remove the O2 sensor before anything. It's going to be hard. You just get a vice grip and remove the O2 sensor. Alright, I got it. Alright, so now it's just hanging by the 2 sensors. So that's what it looks like without headers. There's 2 holes right there and 2 holes over there. That's it. My friends, 135 and 55, pushing 450. Alright, so now let's just go and yeah, let's unpack these right here. Here, I'll just put them. Alright, so I'll just put these right here and unpack it. New unequal length, old bullshit. So these are the unequal length headers from 1320 Performance. You can see right there it came with the little defouler for the O2 sensor, but either way I'm gonna flash my ECU so my check engine light won't be on, hopefully. So now basically you just do the reverse of what you did and mount this bitch on. So this kit actually came with all the gaskets and all the bolts and shit that you need. one nut in to hold it for now. I'll get this other side in. So I planned on using these right here. So I planned on, the kit came with this, and this is what was on the old one. So I planned on just, you know, putting the nut in right there and then putting another one in at the end and holding it together. But I just noticed that it also has these right here. So this one already has one at the end, so all I would have to do is just bolt that one in like that. And then I'll put a little washer at the end. It should be good. And I'm gonna put it on and show you guys what I was talking about. It's on already. Alright, so let me show you guys my setup. So, alright, so basically 1320 exhaust. Put those nuts and bolts in there. Came with a defouler, so basically this O2 sensor is just gonna go right in there. And then the other O2 sensor is gonna go on. There should be one up here somewhere. Yep, so there's one up here, so basically where it's supposed to be. So that nut and bolt right there, and then right here is what I was doing with the nuts and bolts. So I'm just gonna go ahead and torque everything down and ship it. I don't know if the splash guard can go back on with these headers. Let me see. Alright, cool. Let me just put all these back and then I'll show you guys what it sounds like. Hopefully it sounds good and not shit. Alright, she's done. Let me just clean everything up and I'll show you guys whenever I flash it. Just kick these stands out the way. This is what she looks like from the top. Nice pretty head. Unequal length headers. Let's see what she sounds like. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and flash my ECU. So I'm just gonna connect the OFT tablet and then plug it into the OBD2 port. Alright, and right there it's loading. So now what we want to do is go to where it says tuning. Alright, I'm trying to do it so you guys can see. So right here we go to where it says tuning. We just gotta wait. It says checking tune file, please wait. And then we go right here to where it says write. And now I'm gonna go ahead and do the stage 2 plus, because I think that's the one with the catalyst headers, and that's the one that I have. So I just click on it and then click next. Initialization in progress, please wait. So I'll turn the ignition on. That's 2 hits on my push start, and then hit OK. Please wait. I'm just gonna let it do its thing for now. So now it says writing in progress, do not disturb, do not interrupt the process. So I'm just basically gonna wait till that's done. Alright guys, so fast forward a little bit, it's almost done. And let's just see together what it says. Turn the ignition power off and confirm. So right there, just push it one time, it turns everything off. Hit OK. Please wait. Turn the ignition power on and confirm. So hit the button twice for me. Now it's on. Confirm OK. It says writing complete. Switch the ignition power off, start engine, and let idle for 45 seconds before driving. Okay. I switched it off. Let it idle for 45 seconds. Alright, so now I'm gonna rev it up. You gave me launch control already. Yeah. It holds it.
Yeah, that shit's dirty now.
Yeah, I'm gonna run Justin. Alright guys, I'm trying to set up the camera so it doesn't fall when I launch. But this is basically my first drive in it. So I haven't really floored it yet, but right away I can feel like the pedal, the gas pedal is a little like looser. I don't know if looser is the right word, but more loose. But like when I take off, it's like almost to the point where it stalls because I think it's a little sensitive or something. I'm just waiting for this light to turn green, and then I'm gonna make this U-turn and I'm gonna launch it. But it definitely sounds good. Oh my god, it sounds really good.